Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Eddie's equipment from Georgia, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. We've troubleshooted a little bit, and we know the integrated circuit that controls the animation and the audio for Goofy is bad. So now what we need to do is locate the proprietary parts that this lamp needs to work again. We'll go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool lamp. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that there is a main power switch at the back of the base of Goofy, and you always want to make sure that that switch is in the off position when plugging in or unplugging the electrical cord to the electrical outlet. And if this type of lamp is not being used for a long period of time, you want to turn them off. The electronics are a little bit delicate to this type of lamp. Now what we can do is go ahead and turn the switch in the on position. That's just an indication that there is power to the lamp. You'll get a little flash from the bulb. And now we can go ahead and turn Goofy on.
See what I'm doing. Yep.
Now we want to wait a little bit because you don't want to turn this type of lamp on and off real quick. We'll go ahead and turn the lamp off.
Who turned out the light?
And Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the unit on and off. We'll go ahead and turn Goofy back on. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Where'd you go?
We'll turn the unit back on.
Things are looking brighter already.
We'll turn Goofy off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And we'll turn the unit back on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Eddie. I'm sure this Goofy lamp is going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.